gun clean? Hey, you need your gun clean? Hey, need your gun clean? Hello there, viewers, ladies and gentlemen. I am doing a remake of a video I did some time ago, and boy, did I get some flack on it. And it has to deal with gun cleaning. So what I have here is my 9mm pistol, and I'm doing some cleaning. Got my solvent, got my oil, got my Q-tips, and everything out. So I'm going to address those comments and concerns that people brought up. But first, here's the backstory. So I have a table set up here, and you see I have a jar set out here for tips. So a person that I know over in Tulsa, Oklahoma, did this during the pandemic, and it was a side hustle. So here's what he did. He's like, I need to make a little extra money to pay an electric bill, pay some groceries, whatever the case may be, all right? So he went down to his local gun range. He went in and he talked to him, and he told him, hey, I would like to maybe help clean guns and do this as a side hustle because, and he was honest about it, I need to make a little extra money, or I need to pay the grocery bill. And they said, sure, you can set up outside. So what he did is he took a table, he set up outside, he had all the gun cleaning stuff, and he put a jar out there for tips. So when people would go into the gun range and then they would shoot, they'd come back out, he would say, hey, for $5, I will clean your pistol for you. $10, I'll clean your shotgun for you. Or $15, $12, whatever the case may be, I'll clean your rifle for you, whatever weapon that they're shooting. And it went over like fire. I mean, he made over $300 in one day in just sitting outside for 6 hours cleaning guns for people. And it's not so much that he made the money by, $10 a gun here or X amount of dollars per type of weapon. This is what made him the money, his tip jar. Because he would sit there, he'd strike up a conversation with people. He would want to get to know them. He'd ask about them and everything. And people love to tell about themselves. So he built friendships at the same time while he's cleaning everybody's weapons, all right? And so it was a win-win situation. The person did not have to clean their gun, and or the other person, the individual who's cleaning guns is making a little bit of money, and they're building a friendship, a relationship. And in today's world, man, you better have as many friends as possible that you can always reach out to and or go help. It's a community mindset to be able to help each other, because everybody's becoming so selfish and so self-centered and in my own cloistered little room and don't want to talk to anybody or anything like that. Now, the introverts that are out there, man, this would be a great way for you to break being an introvert. Get out there, be uncomfortable for you, but get out there and try this. So, to hit on the comments that was made about this video before, it was all based around, oh, the ATF or some kind of law enforcement will say that you cannot do that. You can't handle other people's weapons. You have to have a license, yada, yada, yada. Here's how I look at it. It's better to ask for forgiveness than permission. And that's the way I live by. A lot of people may not like that, but it's worked for me and it's worked for a lot of people. And if you're in a position that you got to make a little extra money to support your family or even yourself, then are you going to be worried about all the what ifs? Go out there and do it. Go out there and crush it. Go out there and do a side hustle. All right, all right, all right.